Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints, and it's time again for one of the mad scientist tips. I know a lot of you guys love when we do this. A bunch of people ask for them. This is volume 4 of the mad scientist tips, and if you're not sure how it works, let me break it down for you really quick. We have the DYC Community Facebook group. It's got about 20,000 dippers in it, and what I do is I put up a poll with a bunch of different components in it. On this one, we did a bunch of different pearls and a bunch of different juices, and everyone goes on and votes for the one component they want to see used in the mix. And then we use the top voted pearl and the top voted juice, regardless what they are. We combine them together on one of our DYC cars with no testing, with really no idea how they're going to turn out, and that's the most fun part about it. We don't know what the end result is going to look like. On this one, the winners were Cotton Candy ColorShifting Pearl and Watermelon Juice. What do those look like when combined together? Well, we have a black base on our DYC A4. Ready? Let's find out. So we finish up with the car. Here is the end result. We'll get it outside so you can check it out in a second, but a couple notes on this project. First and foremost, the coverage of this mix was extremely powerful. We did 3 coats on the car and then sealed in the juices. We had almost full complete coverage after 2 coats. We just did the 3rd one for good measure because we already had the product mixed up. So coverage, extremely easy. Second, you know when you use those white-based color shifting pearls, how you can kind of have some problems with some striping, and if you put too much on there at one time, it starts to yellow out a little bit. They're really finicky. Whenever juice goes in with the white color shifting pearls, it kind of eliminates that problem and makes them a lot more user-friendly. Now, as far as the color, obviously the juice is the dominant force here. I really didn't know what to expect. I'm kind of on the fence on whether or not I really like this, or I'm not quite sure. I got to get it outside so we can check it out. At the end of the day, if you want to do this exact color on your car, super simple, click right up here. It'll bring you to a pro car kit for this mad scientist tip, and it will include everything you need to get your job done. You just have to select your vehicle size, and that's it. If you have any questions at all, email us, CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. Chat with us directly on the website or call in during business hours. It's Fonzie. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We have more mad scientist tips coming in the future. I'll see you in the next video.